everybody. I'm finally gonna do a try on haul on my channel. I've been wanting to do one of these forever, so I'm like super excited to do this. And if you guys hear any noise, that's just the people that live next door to me upstairs. Don't mind it because the walls are like this thin and everybody's really loud. So without further ado, let's get into the video because I'm super excited about doing this. So yeah. Okay, so for the first item, I just have this one piece like romper, and it's just black all the way around, really simple. It's kind of like one of those Yeezy type of things. I got it from Love Culture and I paid $10.95 for it, so $11. And it's like really stretchy. I feel like it was worth the price, and it's like super cute. You can wear this with slides, little simple stuff, Vans, old schools, and a jean jacket, and call it a day. Next, I got this green teal top from Urban Outfitters, and it's just like a wrap top. It's really cute. It's like that slinky material, like, but as you guys can see, it is see-through. Like, you guys can see my pillow through the shirt, but it's really pretty. It's really like light and flowy. It almost looks velvet on camera, but I promise you guys it's not velvet. It is 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and it's really cute, really great for the summer with like some trousers or even some jeans. I could see this being paired with yellow and looking really, really cute. And this was on sale for $20. Yeah, this was on sale for $20. It was originally $30, and then before that it was $40. So I think I got a pretty good deal on this top. Next, I got these classic high-waist jeans from Fashion Nova, and I just got them in like the traditional classic blue color. I got these in a size 11, and they do have a little bit of stretch in them, but I should have went a size up. I should have gotten a 13, because the problem with Fashion Nova jeans that I personally don't like is the waist, how it like comes in so small at the top, and not all of us have like a small waist and then, you know, wide hips. I don't. I'm like pretty straight across, so that's like the only thing with these jeans that I don't like. But other than that, they're super cute and they're super long. They even bunch up at the bottom, so I really like that. And if you guys didn't know, I am 5'11". Yeah, I'm 5'11", so I'm really tall, and the fact that those jeans like they bunch up a little bit at the bottom is like perfect. So if you guys are tall and if you're looking for tall jeans, definitely try out Fashion Nova's high-waisted jeans because they're like so long. Next, I just got this white crop top from Zara, and this did come out of the dirty clothes, and it does have a little bit of stains on it, but it's only because I really don't have a lot of white clothes, so I didn't get to wash this yet. But anyways, I got this on sale for like $6 at Zara, and it just has this little detailing. Hopefully you guys can see. Try to get to focus. So it just has this little detailing right here on the sleeve where it just ties up into a knot, and then it has this, and that's on both of the sleeves. And yeah, it's just a crop top. I got this in a size small, and like I said, I paid like $6 or $7 for this. Okay, so next I have another top from Zara, and this was $6.99 or $7, like regular price. I'm not sure, but it's just a little black crop top, and it's ribbed. Hopefully you guys can see that. It just has some white trimming around the neckline, and then the sleeves kind of have like a raw, can you guys see that? The sleeves kind of have like a little raw frayed edge, and it's really cute. And it also has that same detailing, the same like raw detailing at the bottom of the top as well. And yeah, it was only like $7. Next thing from Zara I got are these jeans. When I tell you guys, I'm in love with Zara's jeans. Like, I don't know why I didn't go here sooner to get jeans, because I've seen a lot of people talking about Zara's jeans, but I just never went to go look for them. But I literally got 3 pairs of Zara's jeans in like 2 days. Like, I'm addicted and I want more. And I'm so sad because I got a stain on these jeans. It's like a foundation stain and it won't come out. But I got these gray jeans. Oh no, these are black. Yeah, I got these black jeans from Zara. They're from their Trifolic denim collection, and they're super stretchy. And these kind of stop at the ankle, and they have some distressing at the bottom as well as on the knees. and they're high-waisted, and I got this in a size 44, which I think is like a 12. But these jeans do run a size smaller, so if you buy these, you definitely have to size up, because usually I'm like a 10 or an 11. But yeah, I got these, and if you guys know any way to get like foundation out of jeans, please help me out, because if I can't get that out, I'm just gonna end up distressing these jeans more, because they fit so nice and they have so much stretch. I got another pair of jeans from the same Truffle denim collection, same size and everything, except for these jeans are like this grayish ashy tone, and they're the exact same as the last ones, rips in the knee, and then also some distressing on the ankle. Same great fit, same great stretch. I love these jeans a lot. And these jeans were both how much were these jeans? I want to say they were like $35 or $40, something like that, but they're definitely worth it, because I feel like these jeans are gonna last me a long time because they're like such good quality. Okay, so you and I both know that this haul is popping AF, so you can go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and give me a thumbs up. But yeah, continue watching, because I know you want to see the rest of these outfits. And the last pair of jeans that I got from Zara are from the Zara Truffle denim collection, except for these jeans don't have like a front pocket space at all, and they fit different. They kind of remind me of leggings more than jeans, and they have this really cute trim along the side, and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the jeans, and these jeans stop at the ankle as well, and they have that same distressing as the other jeans that I showed you guys do. And these are so cute. Like, the crazy thing about it is that I got these in a size 42, and I really wish that I would have gotten a 44. They fit, but I'm the type of person, I don't want my jeans to be like super tight. I want them to have like stretch and be like a little bit loose, because I don't like really tight clothes. So I wish that I wish I would have went a size up, because these are like equivalent to a US 10. That's like my normal size, but these jeans run small. But nonetheless, they're still really cute. Now moving on to Forever 21. I got this band t-shirt, and I forget who this artist is. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I don't know who it is. But I got this t-shirt that says Wannabe, and it's just this gray ashy tone shirt, and it's really cute. The only thing about this shirt is that it's really boxy. I don't know, I kind of don't like it. I feel like if I wear this, I have to like tie it up in the front, or like, I don't know, something about this shirt that I really don't like. But it was like $4.50 because it was on sale, so I was like, why not? Super cute. The next top from Forever 21 is just this Vendo top that has a 95 on it, and then it has a black strip down each of the sides, and it reminds me of Motorsport. That's why I got it. I swear, I feel like ever since Motorsport came out, like all the clothing stores are doing like these racer inspired like clothing, and I love it so much. Like, this is so cute. I've already worn these, and they would go so good with these slides that I have on with the checker. Like, so cute. I love this trend so much. And this was, I think it was $10. I feel like that's really overpriced. I feel like I should only pay like between $5 and $7 for this, because it's just like a Vendo top. Like, it shouldn't have been over that, but oh well, it's cute. Next top I got from Forever 21 is just this bodysuit. It says New York Giants on it, and this was on sale. It was like buy one get one free, and I got this for free, and then I paid like $10 for a jacket that I'm going to show you guys later. But yeah, this was free, and it just kind of has like a V in the back, and then the front of it is just like a scoop neck. And yeah, I don't know if I said it before, but I got this in a size large just because, I don't know, I don't like tight clothing, like I already mentioned earlier. So yeah, plus it's a bodysuit, and you know how sometimes if you get bodysuits in your size, like on the butt part, it'll like split your butt, and then you'll have like 4 ass cheeks. Like, no, it's not cute. So yeah, that's why I went up a size in this, because usually I get mediums in my tops. Oh yeah, and the Vendo top that I just showed you guys, in a size large too. Because yeah, since it's like a Vendo and it has like this elastic band up here, I didn't want it to give me like a roll of fat, you know, on my armpit. And then I got another top from Forever 21, and it's just this really cute white crop top. It's not really a crop top, I guess it's not, But I really love this shirt because of the detailing on the neckline. Let me show you guys. Like, I think that's so cute how it's just, I don't know, it kind of looks like flower petals right there along the whole neckline, and I just think it's so cute. Only thing about this shirt is that it's see-through, but that kind of really doesn't bother me because, I don't know, something about this top that makes it okay. But I really like it. And this top was, I want to say $5, $5 or $7. I'm not 100% sure. And then I just got the same top, same exact top as last time with the detailing around the neck in orange, because I was like, oh, this color looks so good on my skin. And if I wore this like off the shoulder with like some high-waisted shorts and some cute little sandals, yeah, this is a winner. And it's not as see-through as the white one, of course, but I mean, I already wore the white one and I didn't wear a bra with it, and I don't plan on wearing a bra with this one either, so it really doesn't bother me that it's see-through. I think it like adds to it. Was just this like wrap-up top, kind of similar to the one that I got from Zara, Urban Outfitters, and it's this like oatmeal color. It's kind of hard to show on camera because it has like a lot of strings, but once I put it on, you guys will like see what it's about. And this top was on sale for $9. It was originally $16, but it was like half off of the price, half off of the sale. No, that wasn't even $9, because Forever 21 had a sale going on where it was like they did half off of the 15, right? So then they gave me half off of the 16, so then they did it like $9 and something, and then they did it half off of that half off. So I got that shirt for like $4.50. So I was like, why not? And I got that top in a size large, and the two tops before that are also in a size large. And then I got this really cute shirt that says nothing but trouble, and it's just red. Got this in a size large as well, and it was only $4.50. And I was like, I have to get this just because of the sleeves. Like, look how cute that is. And then it also has that detailing on the bottom of the top as well, and it just looks so cute. And the font kind of looks like Drake's album, what is it called? It's like If You're Reading This, It's Too Late. And I thought that was really cute. So yeah, and this was also $4.50.
Well,
I took the top of the Maybach. I took the top of the Maybach. I took the top of the Maybach. I took the top of the I took the top of my Maybach. I took the top of the Maybach.
I also got this jacket. It was on sale for $9, and it says more and more, which means more love. And it's just this distressed black denim jacket, and it just has distressing all along the sleeves. And then the rhinestones is what really made me want to get this, because of these shoes that I bought. Like, I specifically got this jacket to wear with these pair of shoes. And the stones, they may not look like that good quality on camera, but these are actually like really nice stones. Like, when you put the flash on here, they actually bling. Like, they're not cloudy stones, and I like that a lot. And it just has distressing all along the jacket. It's just really nice. And I don't have any black denim jackets, and I got this in a size medium. I would have got it in a large because I don't like my jean jackets to like be stiff, but they didn't have a large and I wanted it, so I was like, that'll work. And lastly, I got this like rain jacket. I don't know why it's looking so dull, but I got this rain jacket from Forever 21 in this like army forest green color. And when I mentioned the bodysuit earlier that I got for free, I got this jacket with it, and I just think this is really cute. It has like really nice detailing on it, and it's long, and the hood's like really nice. It's just really just a raincoat, and it's still raining where I live, so I was like, why not get this? And I like that it's thin, because I don't like really heavy coats, but I don't like to be wet, so I was like, this is perfect. And onto shoes. I got these Air Max TNs in this wheat color, and I think these are just the cutest things. Like, look at how, oh my gosh, you guys, like, if you know me, you know, like, I'm obsessed with like tans, grays, like very neutral colors, and I just think these are so nice. Like, the detailing on the shoe is just insane. I love these so much, and they can go with so many different things. That's why I got these. And I got these, I actually wore these with that more and more jacket that I was talking to you guys about earlier. And then onto accessories, I got these hoop earrings from Fashion Nova, and they're just these rhinestone hoops. These were like, oh, these Air Maxes were I think $160 before tax, which I don't think is bad at all, because I used to get like $200 pair of Jordans and I was like insane. But yeah, I think these are well worth the money, and they're comfortable. So yeah. But yeah, these were like $6, something like that. I don't know. And I feel like that's like kind of expensive, but I wanted them. Plus I was in LA and I was at the Fashion Nova store, so I was like, I might as well just go ahead and buy these. And next I have these Hexagon earrings that I got from Forever 21. And I love these because they're so thick. Like they're really heavy. Like they feel like expensive, and I think I only paid like $4 for these. So I really love these. I've been wearing them a lot. I got these bamboo heart earrings from Forever 21, and I'm kind of sad because see how this one has like the short clasp? The clasp that belongs on this earring broke, so I had to take a clasp from another earring, and that's the only thing. But they were only like $2, so I was like, it's fine. But I usually wear my hair like this all the time, so I'll put this earring with the long clasp on this side so you can't see, and then this one right there. So it works out fine. The thing I got was just this chain. It's so bright. I wasn't made for this. Hold on. Okay. So the first jewelry item, well, the first little necklace is just this chain, and it just has a little gem at the bottom, just a little crystal. I'm trying to get it to focus. Just this little crystal at the bottom. But yeah, that's probably as much focus as it's gonna get. But yeah, this is like $3.50. I think it's really cute. I really love that necklace a lot. And then next little chain I got was just this little, just a simple little gold one, like a classic little chain. Again, probably like $3, $2. I got these two necklaces that came with each other, and they're just two little rhinestone heart necklaces, and you're supposed to wear them together, so I think that's really cute. And then I got this choker, and it just has this little rhinestone on it, and then it has two gold, actually 3 gold little chains. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it has 3 little gold chains, and then it just has a little rhinestone. And that is pretty much it for my jewelry. One more thing that I forgot to mention that I bought is this really cute Steve Madden backpack. It's just the cutest thing to me. It's brown with gold detailing, and it has Steve Madden like embossed within the leather. And then on the sleeves it also has Steve Madden all along it, and then more gold detailing. And I got this, oh, and then it has a tassel on the side, and then it has a little Steve Madden little charm. And I got this from Marshall's, and I believe it was like $25, $30. But yeah, this is like my baby. I love this backpack so much. It's really comfortable, and it goes on like a charm. And I love that the straps are really long, so then it doesn't have to be all the way up here, you know, you can like hang. And yeah, so that's technically the last thing that I got. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. And if you guys want more like tall girl try on hauls, let me know, because I know the struggle. It's taken me a long time to find places that have clothes that work for me, for my height, my weight, everything. So if you guys need any more suggestions on like places where to shop or whatever, just leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer for you guys. And yeah, I hope everyone has a good day, and yeah. See you on my next video.